Hi and welcome back to the Freezing Kitchen. I'm Annika and today I'm going to show you how to make the most flavorful chicken noodle soup. I know, there are plenty of chicken noodle soup recipes out there and you might ask yourself, why do we need another recipe? I will show you a little trick how to bring more flavor, more depth into the soup. And we're starting off with making our broth. And for that you're going to need 3 carrots, 1 red onion, 1.5 tablespoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of white pepper, but you can also use black pepper, 2 bay leaves and 1 whole chicken. Now roughly chop your carrots and onion, but leave the skin on. It will give your broth a deep flavor and nice color. Now place a deep pot over medium-high heat. Then sear the whole chicken on high on one side until golden brown and crispy. Then turn your chicken around and add all the veggies. And keep searing for about 10 minutes. Now I got a golden brown color on both sides of the chicken and the veggies. Now add the seasoning and the bay leaves. Then add 8 cups of water. Once the chicken is covered with water, set the temperature to low, put a lid on and let it simmer for 1.5 to 2 hours. The broth has been cooking for 2 hours. Now I'm going to take the chicken out and set it aside. Then I strain the broth and discard the veggies. Now clean your pot with a paper towel and then you're just gonna add the broth back in. So the broth is all done. Now I'm going to show you what we're going to put into our delicious soup. So you are going to need fresh parsley and fresh dill, 4 carrots, 6 cups of cooked pasta and 1 whole cooked chicken. And this is the one we made our broth with. So now you're going to peel and chop the carrots. Then go ahead and chop the herbs as well. And now comes the fun part. We are going to pull apart that chicken. You want to remove the skin and the bones, but keep the juicy, tender meat. I like to just shred it into pieces, but you can also just cut it into pieces. Now start off cooking your carrots first for 10 minutes on medium-high heat. And then you can add the rest, the chicken, the pasta, and last but not least, the herbs. Now stir your soup one more time and then you're ready to serve. And there it is, our homemade delicious chicken noodle soup with an extra flavor. You will love this. Make this at home and you will never go back to a store-bought chicken noodle soup. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!